Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have in front of me something that I have been so excited to get. I ordered this at the end of December and honestly it has been burning a hole in the back of my mind. I'm like, when is it gonna get here? When is it gonna get here? And finally I got this in the mail today. Inside of this box is the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag. I purchased this from Beautylish.com. I paid, I believe, $85, including $10 in shipping. And I think it is supposed to be valued at over $150 inside. So it's going to be a mix of Jeffree Star products. I recently uploaded on my channel last week the Beautylish Lucky Bag, the regular one. If you haven't seen that yet, I will link it down below. Check it out because I got some awesome products in there. I did the COLOURPOP Lucky Bag, which was amazing as well. I've had some really good luck the past week here with the mystery bags, mystery boxes, so I am hoping that this one does not disappoint. I have no idea what's inside. I haven't opened it or anything. The only thing I did was peel my address off the front because obviously you guys don't need to know where I live. So enough chatter, let's just get to it. Let's see what is inside of this box. All right, so this is what it looks like. Now I didn't mention this in my last Lucky Bag video that I did with just the Beautylish items, but mine, this Jeffree Star box is weighing in at 3 pounds and it's got some good weight to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to break through the tape here. I'm really stupid and didn't sit down with the scissors. As you can see, this box is huge as the regular Lucky Bag. So, but if you're not familiar, this is something that Beautylish does once a year. I don't know if they did the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag last year or not. Like I said, this is my first time getting into this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is inside. I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to start grabbing product. So the first thing I've grabbed out of here is the "You're Still on the Property," which is awesome. I thought that this was hilarious. So this is one of the velour liquid lipsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the value of everything up here on the screen so you guys can see. Now this is a brand new shade. This actually launched with the 2018 holiday collection and the packaging is absolutely stunning, but this is like that crazy blue shade. Now the cool thing about Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks is that they can actually be used on the eyes as well. Here's what it looks like here. Let's go ahead and just do like a little bit of a swatch. That is super blue. I don't know if I would normally wear a shade like this on my lips, but hey, you never know. But it would definitely make an amazing eyeliner because it's like a really deep matte navy blue. You could create some really cool looks. So I'm not too sad about that. The next item is a velour, what is this? A velour lip scrub. Now, this past Christmas, my sister got me one of these and she got me the orange soda flavor. Oh my God. First of all, they really do taste really good and they smell very accurate to what their scent is supposed to be. So this one is in marshmallow. Oh my God, it smells so good. These lip scrubs are some of my absolute favorites. Not only do they taste amazing, but they work wonders on the lips. So happy that I got this. I don't think I can have enough of those, especially in the dry climate that I am in. I don't know if this was supposed to be in my box, but I got another one of these, you guys. This was actually in my original Beautylish Lucky Bag. It's the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. Did anybody else order this box and get this in their Jeffree Star box? I am not sure this is supposed to be in here. I'm dead serious. And I've actually been using this serum the past few days and I'm really liking it. So maybe this will have to go into a giveaway. We will see because I already have one. All right, so the next item we have, no way. Okay, I got an eyeshadow palette and I'm super excited. It is the Androgyny palette. You guys, when this palette launched, I wanted to purchase it so badly. The shades in this palette are stunning. I am so excited right now. This is the perfect way for me to try out Jeffree Star palettes. You guys, look at these shades. Military, this green one right here, I am so excited to play with. Already I'm getting like all these ideas for a look, like putting military and this shade frosting together. Oh my God, let's swatch a few. I'm so excited. So this is the shade frosting. Yes, that is so gorgeous. That could double as a highlight. That is beautiful. Let's play with the shade military, this kind of like olive green. Oh my God, yes. Look at those two together. Already they are swatching beautifully. Let's do one more shade. I think I want to go ahead and swatch this deep blue Swallow. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with that palette. Ooh, a Supreme Frost in the shade Money Honey. So everything's pretty wrapped up in bubble wrap. Now I actually swatched this when I was at Morphe a couple weeks ago or so. This is a really unique shade. But I think it's so cool, again, that this is included in here because this is a newer product. This formula just launched not too long ago. So here's what the packaging looks like. Sorry, you guys, my lights are blinding you. But this color is so cool. It's like a duochrome. It's like a goldish green. Now this is actually a color that I would rock. It's like gold, green, pink. It's got like a ton of different dimension to it. Like if you look and see on the finger, that is so cool. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Screw it. Let's go ahead and layer it on top of the highlight that I have right now. I'm gonna take my Wayne Goss number 15 brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up some of this color here. I'm just gonna pop that on top of what I already have. Oh, you guys, that is actually really cool. I'm already wearing like a gold highlighter, so this is gonna like stand out on top. That is badass. I love it. So obviously I am super happy so far. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. I think there's one more item. Okay, so this is just a regular Skin Frost in the shade Siberian Gold. Seriously, you guys, I swear to God, I hit a home run on the Lucky Bags, and I hope that if you guys ordered this, that you have the same luck as me because this shade is gorgeous. I have seen this before, obviously. Now, if you haven't seen the Jeffree Star Skin Frost, they are huge. The compacts are insane. There's over ½ an ounce of product. I'm a sucker for gold highlights. Look at this. And you get this beautiful mirror. So pretty. Yes, I love gold highlights. So there's one more item down here that I can see underneath the bag part, and I think it's a Jeffree Star mirror, which is awesome because I have always wanted one, and that's what this looks like. And I believe it's in the shade yellow, one of the shade yellow. It's the yellow colored mirror. Let me just crack this open. Everything is so sealed, and I'm like a kid on Christmas, and I'm like, just rip it off. Let me get in there. Great, now I ripped the box. Shoot. Oh well, not a big deal. Oh, cute. It's from the summer collection. It's the popsicle. Love it. That is adorable. Did I kind of want the star-shaped one? I'll be honest, yes, but I will take this. Look at that highlighter too. That Money Honey highlight is poppin'. Love it. I think this is super cute. This is super unique. I'm just gonna dig in here just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Nope, and that is it. Let's go ahead and recap everything we got in here. We got the You're Still on the Property Velour Liquid Lipstick, which is the blue shade, the Marshmallow Lip Scrub. Then we've got the Siberian Gold highlight, which is gorgeous in the Skin Frost. Then we have the Supreme Frost in the shade Money Honey, which you wouldn't think I would love it, but I am living for the like super gold highlights, and the fact that this one has like so much different like dimension and duochrome and just dimension to it. I absolutely love it. It's so unique. And then lastly, the Androgyny eyeshadow palette, which I am so excited to play with. Absolutely gorgeous. And then yeah, you just saw me open this, so I got the yellow popsicle mirror, which is super cute. Was this worth the $75 for me? Absolutely. And the number one reason why is because the fun thing about these boxes for me is that it gives you a chance to try products from a brand or from a retailer that you just wouldn't normally, you know, bite the bullet and go through with getting. And it gives you an opportunity to try a ton of different things. I like the mix of products that I got. I am so happy that they put the Androgyny eyeshadow palette in here. I was kind of thinking if they were going to put a shadow palette in there, all that it would have been the Beauty Killer palette. So I think it's awesome that they put this one in there, and the fact that they include a new formula. So the Supreme Frost, this is a new formula. I think it's fantastic. I'm glad that they didn't just dump a whole bunch of stuff into the box that, you know, didn't really sell. The only thing that I can say out of everything that I got in here that I probably won't use a ton, obviously, is the liquid lipstick in the shade You're Still on the Property. But like I said, I will find use for it because I think that this would make a totally kick-ass navy blue liner. You could do some graphic liner with this on the eyes. Or if I just want to really be avant-garde and just rock a crazy blue lip, hey, why not? I would totally do it. So there you guys have it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Share it, and of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. Hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Also, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the items that I got, and obviously let me know if you guys picked up a Jeffree Star Lucky Bag as well, and fill me in on what you got. I would love to hear about what you guys got in your lucky bags. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.